Hey guys, and welcome back to Top Health Hacks. Are you tired of working out 24/7 and still not getting that toned belly you dream of? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the latest exercise craze that's taken the fitness world by storm. Just 1 minute of planking every day can help you achieve that six-pack you've been trying so hard to get and more. If you don't believe us, then keep watching. We're gonna prove it to you. And that's not all. We're also gonna find out why doing such a quick exercise can help you so much more than just strengthening your six-pack. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out our bonus tips to help you get abs with a capital A. Please remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips about keeping your body healthy. The phrase core strength is thrown around a lot these days. But what does it actually mean? Core strength is the strength and stability of the lumbo pelvic-hip complex. This complex comprises of the muscles around the lower part of the spine, hips, and pelvis area. Good core strength is the foundation of the body and helps maintain the alignment of the spinal column and is essential for good athletic performance and has been shown to reduce injuries. Imagine a house built on a weak foundation. If it was up against a storm, it will fall down. But if the house is built on a strong foundation, it can withstand anything. And that's how the body works. A good core means the body will be stronger and can stand a lot more force. So let's get started on the reasons why you need to plank every day for 1 minute. Number 1. Like we mentioned earlier, planking improves core strength. When performed correctly, planking not only strengthens your abdominal muscles, but it helps strengthen your spinal and paraspinal muscles, and these will help to support your spine. Planking is a compound exercise which requires you to use all the muscles in your body, not just one group like many other exercises. In fact, the only other activity that requires full use of all muscles at the same time is swimming. And we've all heard how good swimming is for you. But who has the energy or time to swim every day? Just 60 seconds of planking a day in the comfort of your own home will do exactly the same job. Number 2, strengthens glutes. Want to achieve that Kardashian butt without the surgery? Then plank exercises are all you need. When you plank, we recommend squeezing your butt and holding it for 20 seconds with a 10-second interval in between. Repeat as many times as you can until you feel tired, and gradually you can build up your stamina and hold your planks for more than a minute. Number 3, increased metabolism. At this point, you might be wondering, why plank for just 1 minute? It's not very long. In fact, because planking uses all the muscles in your body, it uses a lot more energy, increasing your metabolism. This means you can burn a ton of extra calories. We recommend starting at 1 minute, and as you get stronger, you can gradually increase the duration of your planks in 30-second intervals. Number 4, improved muscle definition. So you've already guessed that people with six-packs plank, but why is planking so good for muscle definition? The abdominal and back muscles have to work together to support the weight of the entire body. That's a lot of weight. Can you imagine deadlifting your entire body weight? Unless you're a professional lifter, you would really struggle. When you plank, your abdominal muscle holds a lot of the weight of your body, and this gradually helps to burn fat around your muscles, helping you to get those washboard abs. Number 5, improved balance and posture. Have you tried standing on one leg to put your socks on and noticed that you're struggling to maintain balance? This can indicate poor balance and core strength. Planking is proven to help improve your balance and coordination, as it helps maintain good alignment of your spine and hips. Even individuals who start planking after 1 month begin to notice that they stop slouching when sitting on a chair. Number 6, improved mood. After a long, stressful day at work, whether you have been standing or sitting, you can build up a lot of tension in your shoulder and neck muscles, which can make you feel stiff. People who suffer from anxiety will also complain of feeling tension in their muscles. Planking can help stretch muscles and make them relaxed again. Exercise also naturally increases hormones like serotonin. This can relieve symptoms of low mood and anxiety, so even people with depression can benefit from planking. Number 7, pain relief. Planking also releases another hormone called endorphins, which act as a natural painkiller. That's why people can feel so good after planking and keep on doing it. Why not try for just 1 month and see how you feel? It's only for a minute a day. Remember, technique is everything. If you have a poor technique, you could actually put strain on your spine and hips. So correct positioning is key. There are multiple variations of planking, and feel free to try each one out to find out the one that best suits you. We advise you to discuss with your doctor before taking up planking if you suffer from chronic or acute muscular or joint pains. So now we're going to show you how to do the classic plank with the correct technique. Number 1, place your forearms on the floor and align your elbows beneath your shoulders. Number 2, your legs should be straight with only your toes on the floor. Number 3, it's really important that your spine and head are all kept in the same line in order to prevent strain on your spine. Number 4, 1 minute may not seem like a lot, but when you're planking, it can feel like an eternity. Start planking for how long you feel comfortable, and then slowly build it up every day and see the difference in just 1 month. Our top tip: when planking for the first time, get someone to watch you do it so they can tell you whether you need to adjust your position. And once you've mastered the basics, you can start on more types of planks, such as these. We hope you enjoyed our video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!